Hello everybody, I'm going to give you a tour of our rat's cage. So, first of all, I'll show you their nameplate. Their names are Grayson and Hurricane, and you'll meet them later. So, on the first level we have their hidey house. That's it. It's an awesome hut. And so they can chew on it if they want to, though usually they don't. And there's our hammock. And in there we have some confetti, which they like to gather sometimes. We have their food level, which is right there. And then we have their dry food, that's right there. And we have their fresh food, that's right there. And we also have water bottle number 1 and a climby rope and perch that looks like a big green poop. See, right there. Then we have what we call the play level. So it has a strudel box. And we have apple sticks lying around which they can chew if they want to. And in there, I don't know if you can see it, so I'll grab it. We have this. It's a little dinosaur that they're supposed to be able to chew, but they don't like it very much, so they just step around it. And there's the wheel, which you can't see because it's too dark. Can't see it very well. We also have a willow ball, which they can chew. Oh, and there's treats in it, which Anna put in that I didn't know about, which they can try to get out. And there is their litter box, which they don't use. There's a lot of things in here that they don't use. But their litter box, which they only sort of use because they're just learning, because we've only had them for 2 weeks so far. So that's their cage. Oh, and there's water bottle number 2. It's on the play area. Okay, so now we can go get the rats. And here's Anna. Oh, there's the Mexican wrestler. Turn around, Mexican wrestler.
Why?
There's the Mexican wrestler.
Huzzah.
And there's one of them. You get the rats and we'll put them in their cage. They were playing in the bathtub in some blankets. So that's Grayson. He's all white and he has a mask, which is where he gets his name from. Dick Grayson, which is Robin's real name. And another one, which has disappeared. Oh, there's his tail.
Yes, you want a treat.
He doesn't want you to steal his treat. He doesn't care about Crispix.
He's got one in his mouth right now.
We'll just pick him up, it's fine. He'll hold it in his mouth and then...
Yep.
Here, just bring Grayson in and then we can get Hurricane.
Okay.
Here, I'll try and find him. There we go. This is Hurricane. It's Hurricane's point of view. It's Hurricane's point of view. Let me put them back in the litter box. And there they are in the cage, climbing. The cage we have is a Super Pet My First Cage Exotics, I think is what it's called. And Hurricane, they're always... He's getting some kale. Okay. Bye, everybody. We'll close on the rats. Bye.